Hello friends and fans, my name is Tosif and welcome back to my channel. Now, do I have your attention? Let's talk. This is going to be a completely unscripted video, so I apologize in advance if something goes wrong, but 2 weeks ago, one of very famous YouTubers known in Pakistan, and the channel name is Khujli Family. His channel, I think so, his both channel got hacked and someone ran some kind of live stream on his channel which were illegal as per YouTube, and as a result of that his both channels got demonetized. So the thing is, he's asking now all the community, like obviously the Pakistanis, his followers, I'm one of those followers, to start a trend on Twitter, and the hashtag is monetize Khujli family and monetize Khujli, something like that. I'll put that on the screen somewhere here. So please, my request to all my viewers, which are like 100 or something, please go and just do one tweet and share this video as much as you can with your friends and family maybe, because the thing is, it's not just about Khujli family channel. And so first of all, disclaimer, nobody told me to make this video, because obviously I'm a very small channel. On the scale of YouTube, 100 subscribers is nothing. So I'm just making this video because I feel like we should support each other, even if you're just a tiny YouTuber like me, or just a proper big not multi or 1 point something million subscribers like him. But the thing is, his whole livelihood depends on that channel and its monetization. You probably know about him, and if you don't, I'll put a link in the description so you can go and subscribe him and support him however you want to do. But the thing is, today it's him and tomorrow it can be me or you or anyone else, even as a viewer or as a YouTuber. Like, I think so you should support each other, this whole community, because in Pakistan recently, what we saw with PUBG and all that ban and all that stuff, which was not good for the community as well. So that's a different community, that's a gaming community. But here we're talking about the tech community, but not even tech community, the YouTube community as a whole. So my genre is basically some tech videos and some short films, and everything related to filmmaking and tech in general. I'm like not really narrowed down to one niche yet, but the thing is, that's not my genre. What the videos Raza Samo makes on the channel Khujli Family. But he was one of my inspirations while starting with this YouTube channel, like within Pakistan community. And so I think so I feel like obligated to support this cause, because I feel like he should stay on YouTube, because instead of banning all these apps, we should promote the good content on these apps, because as we support this content, I think so all that trending bullshit we see on Pakistan YouTube homepage, that should go away if we like start supporting proper content. And like, this goes for any channel and within Pakistan, and even it's not like even limited to Pakistan. The reason this video is in English in the first place, and my whole channel is in English in the first place, because I want to connect these two industries, like within the Pakistan YouTube community with the international YouTube community, so that people can see, not people, come on, so that people can see what Pakistan is all about. And like, it's big words coming from such a small YouTube channel, but I try to dream big. So apparently I just finished recording this video. After that, I find out that my mic died during the video. So it was obviously not scripted, so I have to remember what I was saying before. But anyways, let's carry on. So I was talking about it. It is really disturbing, the situation, because when you put all your eggs in one basket, and I'm quoting Raza Samo here because he said that. So when you do that, it becomes really difficult, because your family starts depending on you, and you're doing pretty well, because he was doing pretty well, mashallah, obviously. So it becomes really difficult. Anyways, another reason was to make this video is because no one else was making this video, because none of the big YouTubers in Pakistan was making this video. So I thought at least someone should start making this video, I mean, about these serious topics, apart from Waqar Zaka. Now, I am not a big fan of Waqar Zaka, obviously, because he's usually related to a lot of controversies, but we should appreciate when he's doing something good for the country and for the whole community. And right now, previously he was supporting the PUBG movement and like removing the ban from PUBG, which was successful. How that was successful? Because we all started a trend on Twitter and all that stuff, and that was a good move by the whole Pakistan community as well. So that was obviously just for the gaming community, as I said before. But now we have to support YouTube in general, because YouTube is going to get, I hope not, but YouTube might get banned soon if you're not careful with it. Because there is a lot of like, I was like watching a recent video from Vakar Zaka about this, and there was some kind of roaster, I would say, who was really insulting. I mean, not like Raza Samo because he's fine, but really, really insulting, and without asking permission. When you insult someone, YouTube and the PTA right now is going to ban that channel, and that happened. And you cannot get that unbanned no matter what you do, unless you get the permission from the person you're insulting, because obviously there's a fine line between bullying and jokes, and that's called consent. If you have consent of some person, then it's fine. Anyway, we're getting off topic. So coming back to the topic, I was just mentioning about Vakar Zaka. He recently made a video, and I will link that down below in the description as well, where he mentioned about the movement he started, and the hashtag is called, let me remember, we want YouTube office in Pak. So obviously that means we want an official YouTube office in Pakistan, and I think so he was providing land from by himself. So I think so that's a good movement. We should also support that as well. So please tweet about that as well. If you have an official YouTube office in Pakistan, then we can challenge even the decisions made by PTA. I mean, PTA sometimes make very good decisions. Or recently they banned that channel, and because of that, I think so YouTube is safe in Pakistan for now at least. But the future of the whole tech community, and because the future is the whole future is going to revolve around technology, whether it's education or entertainment or in between, like YouTube. So we should support that if we want the future of the Pakistan to be bright in general for the next generation and for this generation as well. And usually we all know what kind of videos go trending on YouTube on homepage in Pakistan, and that is not something I want to see, and I'm sure you don't want to see that as well. But by any chance, if this video goes on YouTube trending homepage, which is obviously impossible because I'm a very small YouTube channel, but you can make that happen. If that happens, that means probably Raza Samo is going to watch this video. And Raza Samo, if you're watching this video, just want to say that hang in there, and we are going to support you as far as you are making good content, which you are right now. I've noticed that recently in past 2 or 3 months, you have really toned it down a bit, I should say, like less abuse words or less curses in your videos, which is really good. We all appreciate it. We all noticed it. So keep that up. Hopefully your channel will get monetized soon. I would like to take this chance to talk about another incident which happened recently, about 6 months ago. A channel called as UFD Tech, which is a tech channel by someone who was working within South Africa. And he had this incident where his child has some kind of terminal illness which has no solution basically, and he asked for donations from all over the world. So whole tech YouTube community supported him and then helped him to move to USA so he can get like proper treatment for his son, and hopefully he gets it. But this is a great example how the power of social media. Right now I'm not here asking for donations for Kujli family or Raza Sama, because I'm sure he's doing well, but for his future it's really important for his channel that he does get monetized. And obviously he did not tell me to say this because he does not know who I am, but I really wanted to get this message out. And so no matter where in the world you are, you can do this. You can just make one tweet using these hashtags, let the world know your opinion, and hopefully YouTube listens. Tag any YouTube officials tag the official YouTube content creators channel. They might listen. Somebody has to listen. And because we have to protect the creators, not just Kujli family. It's not just about him. I want to be very clear about that. I'm not just defending that one guy. I'm just defending the whole community which is making good content. And so I guess at the end I just want to say that please share this video as much as you can. Today I'm not going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to ask you that. I mean, feel free to do that anyway, but my main concern today is that you guys share this video as much as possible, or make your own videos about this. I just want this topic to spread as much as possible, because once and for all, we all have to unite on this. The whole YouTube community, the whole internet Pakistan community has to unite on this so that we do not suffer this in future. And no matter where in the world you are, please use these hashtags and just make one tweet. Tag the YouTube official channel tab, tag the YouTube creators channel, and anyone like high in authority in YouTube officials, like if you're a big channel by chance by seeing this, then you might know some big authorities in YouTube. Please tag them on Twitter as well so that they know about this issue and this might get resolved as soon as possible. And I think so that's all I have to say. Yeah, make a tweet, and thank you for watching.